Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 2:30 or so Eastern Time. Sort of had mixed reaction today amid some pretty good export numbers. Cotton today, we had another marketing year high on sales. The USDA reported nearly 550,000 bales sold, with China taking 177,000. That's pretty stout for a country that said they may not really need to import that much. And as important was that Turkey was in for another double-digit amount of cotton. And, of course, Turkey is a country that had filed a WTO dumping complaint against us, dumping of cotton, and said they were not going to do any more business with us at that time. But I noticed this is the third week, I believe, they've been in buying cotton. So pretty interesting take there. But on the other hand, with such stout news, the market certainly finished pretty timidly, pretty hesitant. So I guess you contribute some of that to the end of the month or whatever you want. But nonetheless, the numbers are hard to argue as far as USDA may have to come in and raise their export number from 10 million bales to 11 or maybe 11 and a quarter or something. So that would only tighten up U.S. stocks all the more. So it seems to me somewhere down here the cotton market will find some type of low and get some kind of spring run, but just maybe not just yet. Over in the corn today, corn did a downside breakout. I think it went below the 100-day moving average, and that turned some specs onto the short side. And corn sales weren't really very good today. They were down about 50% from last week. It looks like corn's going to be down about 2 cents on the front end. Wheat market up today. Wheat sales were better, but I think it's more of a function of the wheat-corn spreads. Wheat's been really pummeled. Spot March nearly went under $5 today. And I think you saw a reckoning, since it's at the end of the month, you saw a reckoning of the wheat-corn spread. That is to say, people that have been short the corn long the corn and short the wheat were taking that off some today. Beans pretty muted today. Their export numbers were pretty good, but nonetheless, it couldn't really particularly rally the beans, and beans actually went out down about 2 cents. The dollar continues to be strong. The highest the dollar has traded is 95.85 on the index. Right now, we're 95.05. It looks like the dollar indeed wants to make a new high. The stock market sharply up today. We're down in the gold, and we're down in the bond market. And crude oil, I believe, did make a new low today. So that's coiling up the window there for crude to maybe make some type of turn in here. Let's see what tomorrow brings. It's end of the week and end of the month. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.